WHAS11 Weather Impact Forecast is sponsored by Tom Sundergeld Plumbing and Baker's Heating and Air Conditioning.
Rainbows did appear tonight. This one's close to Carroll County after the powerful storms moved out. Light at the end of the tunnel for those near Sanders, Kentucky and Carroll County, despite building damage and trees down. And we do have injuries being reported in certain areas tonight. Thankfully, no fatalities that we know of. Now, these reports will develop more overnight. That's why it's important to be with us in the morning for Good Morning Kentuckiana. As you look back at these storms, we could have, what, 1, 2, 3 tornadoes by tomorrow, maybe even more?
Yeah, so when we were tracking Grayson County, it had what was called a TDS, which is a tornado debris signature. So that's a radar confirmed tornado that was right around WHAS and moved into Hart County. So Grayson County, Hart County was that one track. Did it lift and then drop yet again? So the National Weather Service will survey the damage down there. And also, once again, just outside of our viewing area in Owen County, we saw the video. That was a tornado, and now they just have to go out and do the same. Survey the damage, look back at radar data. We'll see if any other tornadoes. We did have a few other tornado warnings, but a lot of the other damage that we saw was likely due to strong winds. In addition to that, we did have heavy rainfall. We did have flash flood warnings that were issued due to high rainfall rates. Some reports anywhere between 2 to 3 inches of rainfall over a short period of time. But this is that path I was talking about, and where we saw Conroy Deluge earlier in the newscast here. So right around WHAS, right along that Hart-Grayson County line around Nolan Lake, and then that continued around Mumfordville, though the worst of the damage looks to be just south of Mumfordville, so it could have missed some of the biggest parts of that town there, and it continued. It took a hard right turn and moved toward Edmonton rather than clipping Greene and Adair counties. But satellite and radar showing much quieter conditions tonight. The storms are out of here. The severe weather threat was over by 7 p.m. throughout our viewing area. Dew points are still elevated. They're still in the 70s. It's going to take some time. There's a little bit of a lag with the drier air moving in, but it certainly will move in throughout the course of the day on Wednesday, with dew points in the 50s returning to Kentuckiana Thursday into Friday before, yes, we get a bit more mugginess by Sunday and into early next week. High temperatures also stay below normal Wednesday through Friday, and then we start to warm things back up more so Sunday and into next week. So enjoy those temperatures right around 80 degrees. The rest of your evening and night tonight, much quieter, as I mentioned, temperatures cooling likely into the 60s to lower 70s. We'll see if maybe some patchy fog develops there. Otherwise, partly sunny skies tomorrow with highs in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. And then tomorrow night with lower humidity and clearing skies, temperatures will dip into the 50s to lower 60s. We've been watching any kind of wildfire smoke as well. Thankfully, that will continue to push down to the south and thin out, so that should not impact our air quality over the coming days. So 7-day forecast looking a lot quieter for those cleaning up in the days to come. Drier conditions on tap with just a few low-end rain chances through the extended forecast. Doug.